lot has been said about the ongoing dangerous Omicron variant of COVID-19 and a lot is still being discovered. ऐसे में बहुत से लोगों के बहुत सारे सवाल हैं, especially the fact of how to take care of ourselves from this variant and what is the situation of Omicron currently in India. मैं हूं मेरी दीवान और आप देख रहे हैं हेल्थ साइट और india.com. आज हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं डॉक्टर संजीत ससीधरन, Head Critical Care SL Raheja Hospital, to tell us more about the situation of Omicron in India. So let's hear from the expert himself.
At the moment, there is no documented case of this particular virus entering into India. However, let me be clear about this, because this virus can only be detected if you do a genomic sequencing. So for all that you know, the virus may have already entered into India and we're just not able to detect it. So the usual RT-PCR test will detect SARS-CoV-2, but it may not detect Omicron, the usual RT-PCR that we are taking. So for all practical reasons, it would have already entered India, is what I feel. And travel bans are not the answer, because there are other ways that the virus can enter inside. The virus can enter inside through supply chain. I mean, it is just not a travel ban would never would never really cause a stemming of the entire epidemic. In fact, the only thing that you can do now is you have weapons. You have got masks, you have got social distancing, we've got hand wash, hand hygiene, and preventing crowded spaces. This will probably prevent it, and of course vaccination, that will prevent it.
Also, doctor, so what's the way out now? Are there any medicines being worked on? Is there any treatment process that's being worked on?
Well, there is a beacon of hope here. There are two major medicines coming into the market, both being oral pills. One is called as Molnupiravir and the other is called as Paxlovid. Both of them have been applied for the US FDA approval. Very soon, in a month or 2 months time, we should see it entering into the Indian markets. Now, this particular Paxlovid is something that will probably take care of variant of concerns also, by the looks of it, because it actually targets a very early replication phase of the virus. So it really does not, it may work in the variants of concern, is what we feel. And that's one ray of hope. And in the last 20 odd weeks, 20 odd months of in the pandemic, we've seen most of the investigation going in lightning phase, and very soon we'll know whether the monoclonal antibodies that we have will also work against this particular variant of concern. But at the end of the day, the way out is by what we've been doing, good housekeeping. That means masking, not visiting crowded spaces, at the same time vaccinating a large proportion. One of the most important things that we need to understand is also the fact that we need to have good equitable distribution of vaccination. By equitable distribution, it means each and every country in the world should have a good proportion of individuals that are vaccinated. What we must understand is, if there is vaccination, the viruses will not get a new host, hence it will not mutate. If we do not get this vaccination done right, we will see this pandemic going on for ages and ages and years after years. So that is the reason that vaccination would be the key here, and that is the reason that also booster doses is something that probably make a lot of sense here.
Thank you so much, doctor, for sharing your valuable insights. I think the audiences will go back home with lots of value additions. So thank you for that. And for all those who are listening, please don't forget to follow these protocols. Stay healthy, stay safe.